Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice French buffet that we're going to redo. So follow along, subscribe, as we turn this into something, well, pretty new. Alright, to start off with, let's go through what I'm going to use today, and then let's start actually working. So, we've got some flat blade and our Phillips that we're going to use to remove all the hardware, the hinges, things like that. Then we're going to sand it down with our 120 grit. We've also got our dust mask. And then we're going to finish up with our Haitian blue for the outside, and we're going to do a medium to dark gray for the inside, and we're going to use our oval brush and our flat angle brush. So let's get these handles off. Alright, it is time to sand it down. We're just going to get rid of the imperfections, and then we're going to vacuum it and wipe it clean. We're using chalk paint for the outside, so we're just scuffing it up, make sure it's all smooth for this product. So let's begin. Alright, so we have our gray, our dark, well, medium to dark gray. Gets a little darker as it dries. We're going to do the inside of our drawers this color, and then we're going to paint the outside that Haitian blue. So, let's begin. Alright, we have our wax and our rag. Let's apply some to this piece. We can put the handles back on it, get it under the tree for sale. So, let's begin. Alright, here it is completed. Haitian Blue by Dixie Belle, and then we used the Behr Prime and Paint dark gray or mid gray for our insides here. I think it came up pretty cool. So, we'll get it up for sale, we'll see who likes it, and we'll start on our next project. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and leave us a comment or two. Tell us what you think about this color combination.